What's up, YouTube fans? Your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I am out here day one of ownership of my new old 2008 2500 HD. As you can see, things looking pretty good. Truck is pretty solid. Drove good, no problems. On front, this feels a little weird. I'm pretty sure due to these tires wearing, but I already found a whole set of tires. We're gonna get those babies thrown on ASAP. I cannot locate my lug wrench for these. Anyone can direct me to where I can find one? It looks like it's 7. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, look at the wear on this tire right here. See that? So you can imagine what I'm feeling when I'm driving. So I'm gonna get rid of all of that from the tires, and we're gonna go into looking further into the suspension. I got in touch with the owner, and he said that he's replaced most of the suspension stuff under here. So he said there shouldn't be no issues with suspension. So I don't know. We're gonna find out what's going on though. Got a little play in the steering wheel, so something's going on somewhere. We'll find out though. All right. But yeah. First thing we're gonna do though is get these wheels shining. Look at these wheels clean up under here. Let's take a look up under the underside of the vehicle though, guys. See? That pipe is massive. I'm guessing that's stock. But man, that fifth wheel hitch though, it's got some miles on it. You can see where it's cracked right there. You see that, guys? Look at that. The fifth wheel hitch has got a crack going right across there. So that's got to be replaced. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it's pretty clean under here. It's dry. The dealership replaced the seals and everything, from what I understand. Maybe not, but they replaced some seals. It's got airbags under here already. It's already got airbags on here. It's got the automatic compressor. The controls is up front where I'm at, which is pretty cool. So it's already got that in here already. It's got a tune on here already. Five knob selector switch, which allows me to go through different tunes, as you can see right here. Got my little switch right here I can control. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So I understand 5 is more aggressive. Get some black smoke and all that out of that number 5. But it was well kept, guys. I mean, look. Only issue is right here. Seats look good. No problem with the seats. Well, you got a problem right here. I just noticed this. That's a problem right there. But other than that, the seats are in awesome shape. I mean, I can find me a truck on Copart smashed up and get the interior swapped out and be good. The headliner looks good, not too dirty or anything. So I mean, this is pretty awesome, you know, to have this type of buying experience and not too much going on. Engine runs solid. I mean, pulls expeditiously with no problems at all. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this wheel cleaned up a little bit. Let's get it shining a bit. I'm gonna spray some water on this thing. Let's see how well we can get them shining. Let's see what type of shape these wheels are in, okay? Alright, so all I'm using is regular soap. These are Vision wheels. I gotta order some more caps because one of my caps came off yesterday in the test drive and 2 of them were already missing. So apparently whoever works on these things don't believe in putting the screws back on the caps. They just throw the caps on there, and that's how they end up missing. So be wary when you take your car in for service. Look out for your stuff being where it should when you finish. But no one's perfect, guys. You take it to a dealer or wherever you take it to, there's no way of making sure that they put everything back like they should. But they're only human. They are only human. Alright, so we're just trying to see how well we can get this wheel to clean up here. Alright. There's no grease buildup or anything like that. Looking at the paperwork, they replaced some seals and some other stuff. I'm not sure where. I have to look up those part numbers to see exactly what part that was, so I can know exactly what got replaced. They replaced the water pump, thermostats, like 2 thermostats possibly. And guys, I came out pretty good with this. This is an '08 diesel LT with the 1 LT package. So it's got all the amenities in there and everything, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, this truck is like listed, even with high miles, like a little less than $20,000. So in no way in hell, you know, the dealer would give someone that much money for a vehicle, but definitely try to get that much up out of it. But luckily, I got this truck for $8,500 something dollars, $8,600 something dollars, guys. Yeah, you heard it. 335,000 miles on it. A lot of miles, but hey, it's got a lot more miles in it. So we're gonna see what we can get up out of this thing. So let's go ahead and rinse these wheels off and see how clean they come. Looks like they're cleaning up pretty good, actually. Center caps are 15 bucks a piece for the short ones. I think that's all I need is the short ones. Yeah, so me leaning out like that. They don't want you to fall out the truck. Okay? I'll clean it up for you. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and knock these things out real quick. I'll be back. Alright, check it out, fam. This is what it is. Just finished getting this thing cleaned up, went around and hit all the rims up, and they actually came out real good. All the rims are in great shape. One rim has a whole bunch of abrasion on it. I don't know what was going on with this, but it's the only one with a cap also. And they take that cap off, and we're gonna get 4 more caps thrown here. And yeah, so one thing I noticed when I was driving, I got a low coolant light, so we're gonna address that issue. And we're looking at the coolant right now, and it doesn't. They replaced the water pump on there. So I'm guessing that after replacing the water pump, they didn't make sure it was properly filled up with all the fluids like should have been done. Yeah, that thing is empty. There's nothing in there. So I'm like, what the heck? I gotta do better than that. But I bought a gallon of Peak coolant. So Peak for now, Charge Global, the big diesels. So we're gonna throw that in there, and hopefully that tops it right on off. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Y'all ready? Isaiah, get in your seat. We're ready to hop in this thing, take them to get something to eat. So let's get this thing topped off first. Let me come back to you.
This truck right now is so good. It's so cool in here. It's so great. It's so clean. Look, I'm talking to the camera. Close side. I'm talking to my friends. Hey,
what's up? We in here cleaning up the 2500 Chevrolet truck. You know what I'm saying? My baby recording.
Yeah.
We're going over here making a mess. But we in here getting it done, ain't we, Isaiah?
Yeah. Let's do it today.
That's where it starts off. You know, you gotta clean the truck, gotta clean it up, get it shining. No spraying. I'm not spraying no chemicals now. Daddy do all the spraying. Daddy ain't trying to get hurt. What you recording, Isaiah?
I'm calling the truck. So good in here. My bro driving.
Show him your bro driving. If you're gonna tell him your bro driving, you gotta show your bro driving. Turn it so they can see.
Daddy, I want to spinning wheel.
Now you can see your bro driving.
See, bro?
Little bro driving. Say what's up, man.
He is so scared. He's been taking forever. He drive, bro. Why are we gonna watch this? Let's drive. F1. Okay, camera. Okay, you two. See you later.